Teresa.
Teresa, where do you live?
Sicklerville.
In Sicklerville, New Jersey. And your teammate right over here, what's your name? Turn right around here a little bit so we can see you. What's your name, pal?
Carolyn.
Carolyn, and where do you live, Carolyn?
Pennsylvania.
Where in Pennsylvania? Little bird told me earlier, maybe Upper Darby? Is that right, Upper Darby? Okay, this is team number 1 right here. And right over here we have team number 2. What's your name there?
Franny.
Franny, and where do you live, Franny?
East Lansdowne.
East Lansdowne, Pennsylvania. And your teammate over here, what's your name?
Joseph.
Joseph, and where do you live, Joseph?
Philadelphia.
In Philadelphia. Let's give all of our players a big hand! Yeah! Now the object of the Way Cool Tissue Pull, each of these pals has a box of tissues in front of them. When I blow the whistle, they have to pull all those tissues out one at a time out of their boxes, and the team that can empty both of their boxes first is going to be our winning team. Now, all of our pals, just for playing the Way Cool Tissue Pull, are going to take home a Slinky, the original walking spring toy from Team Industries. And our winning team is also going to take home Uno Deluxe from International Games! Yeah. Some wonderful prizes. Good luck to everyone. So get your tissue pulling hands ready. Are you ready to go? Are you guys ready to go? Pals, I want you to root on your favorite tissue pullers. All you pals at home, you do the same. On your... Tumultuous tadpoles.